In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop videos here in Canva. Now, it doesn't matter whether your video is your own video, which you've uploaded, or whether you're using a video here in Canva, because the process is exactly the same. So let's come over here to Elements, and I have this video just here. Now, there's a couple of different ways that you can crop this. The first way, we can just drag on the sides. So if we see this part of the edge just here, we can actually hold down on that and just bring that in. And we can do that on all of the sides as well. So we can crop this way, and let's go back a couple. We can also crop by double clicking on the video, and then we have a few different options to choose from, with being 1:1, 16:9, and a few others. We can also rotate this video as well by clicking on here and moving along the bar, as you can see. Now let's put back that to there, and let's say we wanted 1:1, we'd simply click that, or again, we can just pull in the edges like so. But once we've cropped the video, we click done, and then that's it. Your video has now been cropped. So that's just how easy it is to crop videos here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.